Oh yeah, you dial no I want a copy thing, Steve here. And a copy thing, Steve. He want to no large upon yourself, people. Large upon yourself a million time, man. Large upon yourself. Because I wouldn't want show a copy thing, Stevie. Love, you know. Yes, I wouldn't want show a copy thing, Stevie. Love, man. So I have a big one up. So yes, copy things, crew. Yes, man, the gate doesn't know the gatekeeper colors. In buying self a nice excavator tractor. Yes, so you can do Project X work very well. Yes, talk up it things screw what them bad mind people here, man. Dirty nasty Jamaican retraction. In bad mind the gatekeeper con chat him mouth full of shit. Hey, da, hey, dirty rat action, I whip your backside, you know. Because I stand up for colors out here, you know. Oh, no bad man. Oh, you mean for say the man go buy stupidness with him money. Money has spent dirty rat action, boy. Leave the man alone, make him on spending money. Leave the man. You're real shit in a plague. You come out here, I come chat your mouth full of shit mouth. The man, boomy, him go buy a excavator we can do nothing. Leave the young man alone. I now stop stand up for the gatekeeper and the people because I want to know city things them for what it is, you know. And no say, dirty rat action them full of bad mind. Yes, him and him sewer foot daddy. Dirty nasty gargan. Yes, him a the leader for the gang in the people. Because them a bitter gang over here, you know. Yes, man, you have one of them with a black picture upon him. For your profile, they call him, must say, look at that word or some shit in a word, something. Yes, look at shit in a word. Yes, that in gargan farmer army. So they hot the three of them. Are four of them, enough of them in the people. Them giant army, fit tear down the gatekeeper and them team members, them you know. Lord God, it no normal, it no talk up it things screw. May I tell you, it no normal. It burn talk up it things, Stevie man. Every day, dirty sore foot gargan and this old shit in a playboy. Yes, them come out, them talk, them the most dirtiest things about the gatekeeper. Hey, talk up it things, crew. When you're looking at the thing, man. Looking at the thing, no, man. Hey, if a man not take care of the youth them brown him, where the youth them a do brown him same way, them a damn idiot. Hey, when you're looking at the things, talk up the things, crew. If you're not take care of somebody, you know, them a go left. They have to left around you. Some want know if a team member them a damn idiot. If you know what's the gatekeeper not take care of him and them still round him. Nothing like that, people. The gatekeeper treat him team them very well. Yes, and that's why them still around him. Yes, but maybe the thing is in not talk up a things, crew. Maybe the thing is the gatekeeper. Every man have a mind of their own. So the gatekeeper now I'm gonna tell them. Say, if it do that under this because them will learn off of them own. Them need to follow the man footstep. The man now go tell them everything talk up a things crew. Looking at the things, man. Da, yes. Colors now go tell them everything. Because every one of them have a mind for them own. Them need to follow the man footstep and looking at their self and learn off of them own. Yes, because the gatekeeper done show them the right things already. Yes, so they must follow the man footstep and do the right thing. Them a do it people. Them a follow the man footstep but dirty nasty sore foot gargan and red action. Them not stop come out here. Come convince the people them with one bag of shit. I mean a teletalk up a thing screw the people them love it, you know. The people them love Everything when them a say about the gatekeeper bad. Me I tell on the people them uno wicked man. Uno wicked man. Uno do life is to the man prosper. The man by himself a excavator. And no come out here a bad-minded man and a bring him down. Oh my God! I now stop whip on the backside over there, you know. Yes, but one thing may I tell you now, colors to my TV team. I want all a uno. Una does do the right, man. And don't listen to them shit in a played reactor here. Don't listen to them. Because them will lead una astray, no. They will lead una astray and make una style gatekeeper. But one thing may I tell you now, una don't do it. Don't bite the hand that feed you, because remember, the gatekeeper love all at uno, and him want to see the best for uno. So don't listen to the shit in our plate react to them. Uno bad mind, dirty nasty gag, and your bad mind, you come out here, come bring down the man, and him team members every single day come criticize the people them. Who is you? Why you no go and criticize your life? Yes, criticize your life or you're picking them life, man. You wicked shit in a plate, you. You wicked, you evil, man. You evil and dirty retraction, man. And a farmer gang for help bring down the man. Hey, but I come for you, Reno. I see the hall at uno. A chat on a mode full of rubbish. I will whip on the backside, left, right, and center because I tell you people. I want to know subscribe to the thing, man. Because I stand up for the gatekeeper. And I now stop stand up for colors in my TV out here because I don't like the dirty shit in a play bad man people them when a life is in the man's chive. Yes, left the man alone they can spend him money or fee him money. We no did I help him when him da come cook under the tree from far. We no did I help him when him a run a punt dog in a bush from day one. So anytime come for him man spend him money I endorse it, leave him alone, shit in a plate, Hey, colors I want you to see this, Yes, because I stand up here in the colors. Yes, man, and I want you to do the right. Because I now stop with them shit in a plate here. Left colors alone make him spend him money, or fee him money. Yes, I'll feed him man money if he man want buy 10,000 tractor. I'll fee him money if he want buy 10,000 car. I'll fee him money, and him work for it. So all I want go inside with no shit in a plate self. Hey, I now stop whip up on the backside, man. He born talk up at things TV. Remember, people, uno just large up on yourself, man. I press that subscribe button because I want talk up at things TV.